Hey guys, I've got a 2002 Mercedes CLK320, and this particular unit, my AC unit is totally powered off, and so I'm going to do some diagnostics on it. But to get this thing out, I was having trouble finding a video showing how to do it. Of course, I've ordered these radio removal tools off of Amazon, and basically you stick them in like this, and just sticking them in does not do the trick. Matter of fact, I'll put both of them in, and I just figured this out, but you have to pull this lever that way at the same time you're I say pull, you're pushing it, that lever, that way once you get it inserted, and then as you're kind of pushing to the outside, then you can pull it out at the same time. It took me a few minutes to figure this out. I've got people online using, their pocket knife and stuff, and I just decided, hey, I'm going to put a video on because nobody's really showing exactly how to maneuver this thing. Of course, I pulled the clips off. I just didn't want to break them. You can pop these off very easily, just popping them from the side with it. And I use these little plastic tools you can get just about anywhere, trim tools, and that's the way you pop it out. I'll give another demonstration here in a second after I look at this. You can see as I'm moving this that way that the piece is moving in as well. Okay, so all in all, these little keys, they work pretty well. The problem is when you get them in there and they basically slip off a lot. So you'll almost need another person, to be honest, getting behind it with the plastic trim tools and kind of prying it out. It seems like one side might come out before the other side pops out, and you just have to kind of keep working with it. You need someone, pushing to the outside the whole time while somebody else is trying to dig it out. Or, you might be able to do it all by yourself. It just depends on how well it's grabbing that clip that I showed you earlier. But anyway, that's how you pull that out. It's not real easy, but it can be done. And I would definitely suggest just popping these auto buttons off, because they'll probably come off in the process anyway, so you might as well just take them off. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope this helps somebody out there.